Today is, I'm trying to remember off the top of my head, but I can't. Today is Thursday, the 11th of August, and I just finished working out for the morning. I didn't film it because I didn't think it was that interesting and that you guys probably cared, but I just finished it and I'm feeling really good. So I am having a productive start to the morning. Today, I do have a few things to get done. I have a weekend full of festivities and plans, so I'm likely not going to have any other time to get this stuff done except for today. So I'm taking the step and getting it all done today. And by getting it done, I mean getting all my clothes put away, because I have quite a few clothes that need to be put away. I hope you all are having an amazing morning, and I cannot wait to spend the day with you all and get some things done together. You know, you guys hold me accountable, so. Guys, so I'm gonna get started on putting these clothes away. It's like noon now, so I have quite a bit of work ahead of me. Not too much. I might actually try and reorganize too, so maybe I'll get that out of the way as well. I have a lot of clothes to get to today, so my first thing is putting it all on my bed, which my bed's not made today or right now, so you know, it is what it is, and it just, sometimes we all have those days, so today is one of those days. I kind of have to move all of this aside, or actually just put it on like one side of my bed, and then from there kind of go with it. There is an entire clean slate here for all of my clothes. Guys, so I have all of these clothes that used to be right in there. Excuse me. And some of them are a little unorganized, and some of them, truthfully, I forgot I even had, so I'm gonna go through them. I also have made a random find in my closet. I didn't even know I bought these. Apparently I did. They're like these really cute little heels. I truthfully think it was for prom or for home or something. Hey, I won't have to buy prom shoes next year, maybe. You know, depending on what dress I have, maybe we'll just go with these. This is a very me purchase though, so I'm definitely going to have to utilize this. But the more you know, I guess. I'm gonna organize all of these. I have it separated into like skirts, shorts, and pants, or like jeans. So we're gonna go through that, separate it, put it back in the order that it's supposed to be in, and we'll be set. We'll be on a roll, guys. We'll be on a roll.
I know your parents like me. I never said goodbye. You went to all my shows and you were the first in line. A kiss with a stranger might heal all my wounds. Yeah. Now I'm making out with somebody new, and she's got no clue. I've been alone, wasting away in my room. You're afterglow. She's laughing like you used to. Guess I still got jokes. Might take her home, and it's strange, 'cause I think that I like getting over you. Man, it's strange, 'cause I think that I like getting over you. Your faded lines take their time through my head, and I deserve better. They tell me I'll be fine. The
So as you guys can tell, my wardrobe is color-coded. I did that on purpose because I like having it in a color order. There's blue, the purples, the pinks, the whites, the creams, the blacks. The grays kind of mixed in here. I don't know how that ended up there, but here I have so many outfits. This one I actually wore for my 1-year anniversary with my boyfriend, actually. I actually have a few polka dot things in here that just so happen to be the only, like, I don't really wear a lot of black, so there's not much in my closet of black. This top is part of a matching set that I have worn before, actually, and it is really cozy and cute. And then I also have this, which this is my like mock-up, like last-minute formal look. I've worn this to a interview for like a job. I've worn this for an awards ceremony at school. I've worn it for a concert or like a get-together also at school, like formal attire. So, you know, I keep it just in case I have really, you know, some last-minute plans that I just kind of need something. I'm giving you guys like a clothing tour, but no one asked for this. I'm supposed to be cleaning it out, which I've gotten three things so far out of everything, and I still have a little bit of a closet left over to do. My next tackle is going to be putting away the clothes that kind of match up the color right now, so
You got a new guy, must be your type. Wears a snapback, guess he's alright. Bet your parents probably love him better than your rockstar ex-boyfriend. Well, I told you you would be okay when I stood there in your front doorway, but I knew that everything would change. Saw a girl become a ghost today. Ooh, I've been drinking a little, I've been thinking too much about you. All the time and the love that you gave me. All I gave you was a nicotine addiction and an empty room. Couple life lessons at 22. After all the shit I put you through, I don't blame you. I'd hate me too. I hate me too. Yeah, I hate me too. I hate me too. Turn 25. Don't know what I'm doing with my life. Something tells me I should keep on trying, but giving up seems way too nice. Way too nice. All of my friends are doing things. Yeah, well, I drive alone down empty streets. It's like I should be there by now. I can't see the road somehow. Well, how does my future play out? 'Cause I don't wanna let my mom down. I don't wanna turn 25. Don't know what I'm doing with my life. Something tells me I should keep on trying, seems way too nice. 24 is where I draw.
guys, so I just finished cleaning it all up and putting it away. Took a little while, and then I just finished organizing my workout clothes. Anyway, I'm very proud of myself. I love how it turned out, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but I put some shoes here. Very snazzy. May I add? I'm actually gonna put this organizer back because I meant to do it and it did not. So I'm putting that there. Guys, it's all organized in here. like I said, there's the bridal shoes. I seriously don't remember buying those. Like, right here I have all the clothes that I don't wear anymore, and I just want to give them to someone who will. Oh my gosh, I'm worried this camera is gonna fall down, but that is everything for my closet clean out organization. So found a one boot. I think that was the weirdest thing I found, was that there's a single boot.